Right, as always, not got long. I'm in the garden now, and the greenhouse is going to be constructed tomorrow. So I've had to do some little bits today in preparation. I had to stay overnight and then get up early and do some bits in the garden. Oh, not much, but all I can say is the greenhouse is finally going up tomorrow. I gave 9 a tiny little top up, and that's going to be trapped behind there tomorrow. Also this, I may already have done a video, I don't know, but I've rebuilt the bug habitat pyramid at the back, and there's some engineering bricks and they're capped off and just a pipe there, so that's been done. Mecatee was out, but I had to get her in, and I've done this as well, a quote from one of my brothers. My mind is spent, my bones weaken, my muscles tire, leave me to my throne. By Goli or Golem, 2001. And you see I've had to paint this section of the fence. I don't know if I'll have the time to give it a second coat, and it won't be dry by tomorrow, but I'll see what the light's like when I get back. I might be able to give it a second coat. I did consider extending the white to here on the wall, but I'm just my head is, I don't know what to say about my head. It's not even a soreness, it's like a fuzziness, and it's not even brain fog, like a nerve fuzziness. But yeah, 9 is going to be trapped behind there tomorrow. The greenhouse is going up. The quote by Golem, which is going to end up trapped as well, because it's going to be placed on top. And that was some letters. It was from metal stencil letters, and I'd done them. And of course the bug habitat. That's about it. Still a load of crap that needs taking away. Oh.